move, cause you laughing into the camera. Go in there, go.
What's up? I am here to do yet another unboxing. I actually wound up purchasing the same day that I purchased the off-white media bag. I purchased a Balenciaga Hourglass shoulder bag from Vestiaire as well. So I purchased it the same night. So it got here today. So yeah, we're gonna do just a quick unboxing so you guys can see it in real time. Hopefully my sound will be straight in this video so that you guys can actually see me open the box. But nonetheless, I got the, like I said, Balenciaga Hourglass shoulder bag. I placed the order again on January 7th, just like the off-white bag. And I will give you a timeline on how quickly the process was from there to here. So I ordered it on the 7th. It was shipped by the seller to Vestiaire on the 12th. Vestiaire received it on the 14th. They did their authenticity check on the 17th and it was confirmed compliant. It was shipped from Vestiaire on the 18th and then I received it on the 21st. So about 2 weeks, 14 days from the placement of the order to me getting the item. And I purchased the bag for $1,164. Which is actually pretty good because I think it retails for like $1,700 or like $1,800. So whatever. But then of course after Vestiaire adds all of their fees and taxes and whatever, it came out to be $1,344. So yeah, I don't know, whatever. But again, this is how it was shipped. I removed the shipping labels because y'all don't need to see my address. And yeah, it's unmarked box. You don't know what it is, whatever. So peel this off and again, same thing as the off-white bag. You just got packing paper. Packing paper and you're instantly to the product, which they have packaged it with it being placed in the Balenciaga dust bag, simple gray dust bag. And boom, here is the bag. Oh, bad. Bad. Yeah, this is dope. It's so clean and chic. Oh yeah, this is dope. This is good. This is a good purchase. I mean, can y'all even see this? It's like really dark. But anyway, it's the hourglass silhouette, of course. It's done in this like Croc embossed leather, so which I feel like is good because at that point I'm not gonna scratch it as easily, or if I do scratch it, it's not gonna show as easily as like a lamb skin or like a soft calf skin or something. I don't know. It has the matte black Balenciaga B right there in the front. If y'all can see that, I don't know if y'all can see. Okay, I don't know, whatever. What? Oh, there we go. Matte black, which I feel like is cool because at that point I'm not having to limit myself with silver or gold hardware. We mix hardware, we mix metals anyway, so it's not like that is actually that big of a deal. But I think just having the sleek black is gonna be definitely the vibe. Yeah, this is so dope. This is crazy. They listed it as in good condition, which I was kind of worried about because I'm like, why is it not great? Or like, what makes it? But like, I mean, just from the photos, it looked like they had taken really good care of it. And then just seeing it in person, like I don't see any, like on the inside, it looks like it was used. Like there's like some, I mean, I know y'all aren't gonna be able to see this, but no, that actually looks great on camera. There is nothing wrong with this bag at all. Oh, okay, on the strap, there's like some little scuff marks, and maybe like on this inside part there's scuffs, but I mean, bro, there's nothing wrong with this. Yeah, this is lit. This bag looks great. I cannot wait to just be able to style this up. Like, I thought that the strap was gonna be longer. Yeah, I was kind of mistaken on that. So I may have to like take this strap out and kind of use a different strap, or like use something else that I would want. Cause this really is, at this point, this is definitely a shoulder bag. Like, this is just enough for this, which I was hoping to be able to wear it like across the body so that it could like hit down here or something. So that kind of sucks, but I mean, you know, it is what it is. Like, it's a strap. Like, I can get a different strap, but this, it looks really, really good. They did a great job keeping up with it. I guess for now, I just kind of tuck the strap inside and just hold it. Or I might just remove the strap, but yeah, just being able to wear it just in hand, I feel like that's cool too. But no, this is great. This was a real, I think this purchase was a shot in the dark because this seller didn't have that much selling history, but the reviews that they did have were good. So I kind of was just hoping that it was gonna be legit. But yeah, I really am glad about this purchase. So yep, that's it. Balenciaga Hourglass bag in the Croc embossed leather. Let me know what you guys think about it. Look at that shit. My dog just ran into the camera. Oh my God. My bad. My dog literally ran into the camera. So I don't know. But yeah, so I think that I'll probably actually make a video once I purchase a strap to use to make this crossbody. Actually, I'll do a video where I style this with a few looks. But let me know what you guys think about it in the comments. This is the Balenciaga Hourglass shoulder bag in the black Croc embossed leather. So that's it. You can kind of see the sheen. When I turn it that way, yeah, that looks great. Nice. All right. Peace.